Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to analyze the best stand mixers for bread dough. Watch until the end to see my top pick for the best stand mixer. Let's begin with Wolf Gourmet Stand Mixer. This stand mixer best suits anyone with no restrictions in price and kitchen space. The appliance is professional grade. True to this, its power output is 500 watts and has a bowl capacity of 7 quarts, accompanied by a bowl lift. Its attachments include a wire whip, a beater, and a dough hook. One of its most notable features is it's powerful enough to handle multiple large batches of dense ingredients at impressive speeds, which one can regulate using the speed dial without overheating. The bowl lift's design inhibits noise and prevents extreme shaking, such that the machine does not move around the surface on which it is placed. It's also dishwasher safe and guarantees easy cleanup after use. However, the mixer is expensive and suitable for spacious kitchens with taller counters. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. If you require a mixer that fits in small spaces, KitchenAid is the most ideal. The fact that the mixer comes with a beater, a wire whip, and a dough hook, while having 10 speeds and wattage of 120 watts makes this a very good deal. The lightweight machine takes up little kitchen space, and it's dishwasher safe. The bowl is efficient for mixing small batches of single dough recipes. Some recipes this mixer handles well include cookie dough, bread, and whipping cream. This model of the KitchenAid stand mixer includes a soft start feature that facilitates splash control during mixing. Even better, the brand has a reputation for having products with longevity given proper care. Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. The Hamilton mixer is among the most budget-friendly stand mixers for bread. Most other mixers, it comes with 3 attachments: a plastic beater, a dough hook, and a wire whip. With 6 speeds, planetary mixing action, wattage of 300 watts, and a bowl volume of 3.5 quarts, the Hamilton stand mixer is suitable for mixing most, not all, bread doughs, and is best applicable for making quick breads. There's a folding option that enables you to handle delicate ingredients efficiently. The dough hook's design allows you to add the dry ingredients from the sides of the bowl. You can also mix the dry ingredients slowly in the beginning. However, it's noisier than most other mixers and strains a little during use. Fortunately, it does not overheat. Which is the best? KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer is the best fit for a cost-conscious buyer with limited space. For its low price, it's impressive how it offers top performance and longevity, and it's the perfect machine for a novice or medium-skilled baker. Thanks for watching.